Hello there. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom Photoshop brush, and it can be useful for things like your logo or your website or things like that that you want to put on your pictures. It can be either a graphics based one like an actual image of your logo, or it can be text based, and I am going to show you an example with a text based one. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up a new file, and I'm going to make mine 2500 pixel size because that's the largest size brush that I can make in Photoshop CS5. I think in earlier versions it might be 1000 pixels might be the largest that you can make it. You'll have to experiment with that. Let's make up a fictitious name, and we're going to need it to be in black because the black is what's going to show in your brush and the white areas are going to be transparent. So let's see, let's make up, how about My Awesome Photography. My Awesome Photography. Okay, and then I'm going to change these sizes. We want to make this as big as possible that will fit on your document or on your file. Let's do this in a different font. There we go. Alright, so proofread it, make sure everything's spelled correctly. And then you're going to flatten your file here and select the area that you want to use as your brush. You go up to Edit and Define Brush Preset, and you're going to name it. So we'll name it My Awesome Photography Logo. And then after that, it will show up in your brushes palette. So you go to your brushes here and you go up to the selector. I have a lot of brushes in here, but here it is at the very bottom. And you can change the size here, so it can go up to a maximum of 2500 pixels, or you can make it really small, too small to see. Let's do somewhere in the middle. Let's do it about that big. So you can make it black, or if you want a different color, you just go here. You can change it to another color. Or if you want to match a color that's in your photo, like say for instance you want to bring out a color that's in your photo, you can just use your dropper to click on that and then go back to your brushes palette. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger and stamp it like that. So you can change the size, you can change the color. For my own personal ones, I like to use white whenever I can. I think that white. And there you have it. So you can use a text-based one. You could also use an image-based one. You just have to make sure that you convert it to black and white first. The black parts are the parts that are going to show up on your brush, and the white parts are the parts that are going to be transparent. I hope that's helpful to you. Thanks for listening.